Microsoft gives you easy-to-use services that sit on top of all that infrastructure. Think storage, computing power, databases, and apps that are ready to go right out of the box. Pay as you go. No huge upfront costs. No equipment gathering dust in a closet. Just simple, straightforward pricing based on what you actually use. Microsoft spreads Azure across different regions around the world. Multiple data centers in each region. This means your data is fast and accessible wherever your users are, and it helps with keeping your data safe and meeting compliance rules. What you can actually do with Azure. The core stuff. IaaS, virtual machines, storage, and networking. All the building blocks you'd normally have in your own data center. The easy stuff. PaaS. Let Microsoft handle the heavy lifting. Manage databases, app services, and containers where you focus on your code and Microsoft handles the maintenance headaches. Security and access. Azure AD, now called Microsoft Entra ID, keeps your users logged in securely and controls who can access what. Flexibility. Seamlessly connect your on-premises stuff to Azure or manage resources across multiple clouds. Azure Arc makes it all feel like one ecosystem. Peace of mind. Tools to monitor everything, keep it secure, check compliance boxes, and stay organized. Getting connected. Multiple ways to link up to Azure safely. VPNs, ExpressRoute, and other networking options, so your connection is fast and secure. The bottom line, it's cloud computing without the complexity. Want to master Azure? Subscribe and hit the bell for cloud tutorials every week. Drop a comment below. What's the biggest thing holding you back from moving to the cloud?